My name is Badynee Kwolek. I'm a registered dental hygienist. I'm a sewer. I can jellies and jams and pickles. I'm an avid reader of nonfiction, very active and involved with my family, as I always have been. Facial Beauty Dental is different than the other offices I've worked at. Primarily its location, which is in a neighborhood, and it's my neighborhood. One of the ways I help my patients feel comfortable here at Facial Beauty Dental is I acknowledge that they're nervous. I ask them what's going on in their life and see if there's something I can share from mine. What I like best about being at Facial Beauty is that there isn't an army of people here. I don't have to go looking for someone to help me. They're anticipating it. And when you're in this close of an environment, it's easy. It's all about care. We can fix it. That is very positive, and it makes this part of healthcare very appealing, to be part of that type of positive healthcare, that we can fix it. Come visit us at Facial Beauty Dental, where a beautiful smile increases your face value.